Happy Sunday afternoon, my friends. So we're doing well with the Stug. So we've got all the suspension together. So, and I've even got the side caps on there. And we've got all that on. And it went together flawlessly. Very well. Both sides. Very well. Fit is perfect. And I'm a much better modeler now. So I think the first time I did it was a real good learning experience for me, because my first ever real difficult build was the B version of this. So I'll grab it, this one that we're going to repaint with it. So I've done a much better job than I did the first time. That's all covered in pigments, because I was into pigments when I first started modeling. But I did a better job. Let's see if we can see the other side. But yeah, this was the first difficult one, and it was a real learning experience for me. Yeah, see, there's missing parts in it. Yeah, so I lost one of those connector joins in there. But that's, yeah, exact same one. But yeah, this was my first attempt at Miniart, and it was a shocker. It was like I didn't know anything. And I didn't have the right tools. So that's all changed now. So with the right tools and all that, this was so much easier. And so you've got a difficult little photo etch thing to do here. So you've got to do a left and a right for the front wheel here. And you've got to put these tiny little bolt heads on each side. So this is the left-hand one. So those bolts are like the size of a piece of dust. Like you cut them out and they just disappear. But what I ended up doing was I dabbed a little bit of glue onto the part, and then you'd have the little piece of metal, the tiny little piece of photo etch on the cutting board, and I would just sort of pop like that and pick it up that way. So they're a little bit wonky, but got the job done. So I've just got to clean it up a little bit more, because a little bit of super glue over went everywhere. And this is the other side there. So that's how that's coming along, and now we've got to build the back of it. And I've got some of the rear idler wheels coming, so we just do that, and then we can start to put together the final back wheel part here. That'll cover up this gap here, and this will go on with that as well, and that'll seal up the whole base here, and then we can put the front wheels on there, like so. And then we'll have to build up these ones, all these ones, and then they can go on, and then we can do the tracks. It's not a difficult one, and there's not heaps of steps. Then you do that, you build the gun, you put the body together, you do that, put the things on, and you're done. It's not that difficult at all. It'd be a nice cruisy build. So I'll get that finished, and I'll speak to you again soon.